Welcome to my channel. Netgear Router Login. 1. Turn on your router. Ensure the Netgear router is powered on and connected to your modem and devices. 2. Connect your device. Use Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable to connect your smartphone, tablet, or computer to the Netgear router. 3. Open a web browser. Launch a browser such as Chrome, Safari, or Edge on the connected device. 4. Access the login page. Type http://www.routerlogin.net or http://192.168.1.1 in the browser's address bar and press enter. Five. Enter default credentials. If you haven't changed them, use the default username, admin, and password. 6. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll access the router's admin panel, where you can manage settings. 7. Change the admin password. For security, update the default login credentials in the administration or settings section. 8. Check router status. Verify the internet connection and settings on the dashboard to ensure the router is functioning properly. 9. Update firmware. If needed, go to the firmware update section to check for and install any updates for improved performance. 10. Log out when done. After making changes, log out of the admin panel to secure your settings. Thanks for watching.